Now, this is how I do when I set up my cover crop mixes. My template is the forest and the range, and this is how I set it up. I went and looked at Dr. David Tillman's work. He did 10 years of study of native range, native prairies, and he noticed if you have at least 10 species in the mix, look at the plant biomass. And it was interesting when the most experienced person that I know of is our district conservationist, Jay Fuhrer. I said, Jay, how many species do we put in the mix, especially in these dry climates when we have less than 20 inches? First thing that came out of his mouth was 8. I said, wow. I didn't even show him the research. Look at Dr. Tillman's work. When you have 10 species, look what happens. 15 species in the mix. Then it plateaus off. Then we talked about functional diversity. Species diversity is the type of species in there. Functional diversity is like legume is a functional group. A broadleaf is a functional group. So when I'm designing these mixes, I like to have 3 functional groups in my mix. I like 3 legumes because I don't want to pay for fertilizer. I want the legumes to feed the mix. Let them work. Because if you put chemical fertilizer on the mix, you won't let the microbes work, and you'll actually hurt the yield. So I want the mix. I want the nodulators to work. So I like 3 legumes in my mix if I'm going to do an 8-way mix. If I'm going to do a mix, period. Now, I don't like to go over $30, and there's a really cool calculator, cover crop calculator. Keith Byrne has one. I use it a lot.